at different phases of its conception with different factors motivating, and one of the biggest factor can be which we can kind of take out from this discussion is the importance of the survival of the state, which is the regime. And one of the issue which has not been able to one of the issue which is driven this kind of dichotomy between solving having nuclear weapons and not is the lack of trust between North Korea and its counterparts. And for going from discussion, there's still doubts whether nuclear denuclearization will take place in future. So that remains to be seen. And how the current geopolitics playing out in East Asia, it currently shows that there are different camps which are emerging. One led by Russia, China, and North Korea. Other being the triad between US, South Korea, and Japan. So again, I'd like to thank Professor Sandip Mishra for giving us your precious time, partly on a weekend, and our audiences also for giving taking out time on weekend. I know you have all of plans, so I'd like to just thank you again and keep following us, KRC. We'll be coming out with another discussion soon. And thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.